Welcome to Srikshu and Yuki. Subscribe now for more updates. Friends, in this video we are going to know about top 10 IT companies in India for the year of 2022. If you are watching first time my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Number 10 in rankings, Hexaware Technologies. Hexaware is a global leader and the fastest growing next generation provider of IT, BPO and consulting services. It is one among the best IT company in India, ranked 10 in the top 10 companies. In Hexaware, around 20,000 employees working with 1 billion revenue per annum, and it's spread across 33 global offices. 9th rank, Mindtree Limited. Mindtree is a global technology consulting and services company helping enterprises marry scale with agility to achieve competitive advantage. Mindtree is operating in more than 15 countries across the world, made up of 23,000 employees with 1.2 billion US dollars revenue per annum. Mindtree is ranked 9th in the top 10 companies in India for the year of 2022. 8th in rank, Mphasis Limited. Mphasis is founded in 1992 and serves marquee customers across the globe, including 6 top global banks, 11 out of 15 top mortgage lenders, and 3 top global insurance companies, and it has around 25,000 employees across 16 countries. It is among the top 10 software companies in India and ranked 8th. In 2021, the company revenue is 1.4 billion US dollars. 7th in rank, L&T Infotech Private Limited. Founded 20 years ago as the information technology arm of the Larsen & Toubro Group. It is also one of the best IT company in India and ranked 7 in top 10 companies. In 2021, the revenue of the L&T Infotech is 1 billion US dollars and around 36,000 employees working in the company. L&T Global Infotech is consulting and digital solution company helping more than 360 clients succeed in the converging world with the operation in 30 countries. Rank 6, Tech Mahindra Limited. Tech Mahindra represents the connected world, offering innovative and customer-centric information technology experiences, enabling enterprises, associates and the society to rise, and we all know it's a part of Mahindra Group. Tech Mahindra company is a $10 billion company with 140,000 employees working across 90 countries, helping 950 global customers including Fortune 500 companies. It is one of the best IT company in India and ranked 6 among top 10 companies. Top 5 rank, Redington India Limited. Redington India Limited is established in 1993 and it has traversed an eventful and exciting journey to one of the best Indian IT companies. It is one of the top 10 IT companies in India and leading with top 5 rank. Redington annual revenue is 7 billion US dollars and around 5,000 people working with the company. Redington offering services in new age technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, big data and analytics, and IoT and 5G communications. Number 4 in rank, Wipro Limited. Wipro is a leading global information technology in Indian IT companies and it is consulting and business process services company. It is 4th largest company in the list of top 10 companies in India. Over 220,000 employees working with Wipro and annual revenue of 8 billion US dollars. Number 3 in rank, HCL Technologies. HCL is one of the best IT companies in India. HCL is leading global IT services company that helps global enterprises reimagine and transform their business through digital technology transformation. HCL revenue is 10.0 $1.17 billion in the year of 2021, with the sales growth of 25% in every year. HCL employee strength is 1,87,000 people by 30th September 2021. So in the top 10 companies, HCL is the third largest Indian company. Top second company, Infosys. Infosys is the New York Stock Exchange listed global consulting and IT services company with more than 260,000 employees and the revenue over $13.56 billion in 2021. It will be the second largest in the list of top 10 companies in India for the year of 2022. One of the leading software companies in India. And Infosys is the first IT company from India to be listed in Nasdaq. Now the top 1 company. Top 1 is nothing but Tata Consulting Services. TCS is the largest IT company in India in terms of revenue with $22 billion and over 5 lakh employees working with the TCS. TCS is an IT services consulting business solution provider that has been partnering with world's largest businesses in their transformation journey for the last 50 years. TCS is the largest company in India in terms of market capitalization also. It will be the largest in the list of top 10 companies in India for the year of 2022. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe and like and share it with your friends.